I'm here today with the CCA CRA in-ear monitors versus the KZ ZS10 Pros, and they look really similar. This is the same box. It came in exactly the same box with the same type of inserts, so that leads me to believe that this is from like the same factory or something, but there is a difference in sound quality and in looks just a bit. So these are the ZS10 Pros. They look really nice. It has this like cool grid on there. And these are just a little bit shiny metal, and then all the way open there at the back as well, so you can see everything inside. I think it's a cool look. The wires are just about the same. This is a little bit darker, but it seems the same type of wire with the same end. So everything seems like the same build, but I like these ZS10 Pros a lot more, especially for my drum kit where I'm practicing at home here. These make the hi-hat and the cymbals just very shrill, very distorted almost. So it's not really for the high sounds here of my drum kit. If I turn the volume down a little bit, then it's a little bit better, but then I hear the ticking of the drums too much and the sound is just too low. So these aren't my favorites, but these are very cool. So in every aspect, it's about the same. Perhaps these CCAs are better for something else, like your bass. I like the bass in them, but these sound so much better from the complete range from a drum kit. So I really recommend these over the CCAs if you're going to choose one.